Now start the second unit, big data analytics. Second unit, writing MapReduce programming. Now start the contents, gather datasets, understanding Hadoop API, MapReduce framework, basic programming, MapReduce, driver code, mapper code, reducer code, encoder code, combiner, and MapReduce. MapReduce is a programming model for data processing. The model is simple yet turned to the simple express useful program in Hadoop. Hadoop can MapReduce for written various languages. In this chapter, we looked same program express in Java, Ruby, Python's most commonly important. MapReduce program are inherently parallel, thus putting very large scale data analysis in the hands of anyone enough machine at their disposal. Weather dataset. If for our example, we will create a program that mines weather dataset. Weather sensor collect the data every hour at many locations across the globe. Large volume of log data, which is good candidate analysis with MapReduce. Location across the global large volume of log data, which is good candidate for analysis with MapReduce because all the data and the data is semi-structured and record oriented data format. The data will use in from the National Climate Data Center (NDC). The data is stored using the line oriented ASCII format in which each line is recorded. The format supports the set of meteorological elements, many of which are optional to or with variable data lengths. For simplicity, we focus on the basic element such as temperature, which analyzes present and last future store data. Better set count of last 5 years, 5 years count of data sets like contents, information, temperatures, every state of information, high temperatures, maximum temperatures is count of data set. Each data files contain, among other things, the year and temperature information. Below the snapshot of the data, which year's temperatures field highlight in a green box. This is the snapshot of data taken from the year 1915 map. I will be pulling out of the year and temperature data from the log data is there in the files as shown in the upper snapshot to page. The data is generated by the mapper is fed to the reducer, which is another Java program. This program takes all the values associated with a particular key and find the average temperature of that key. MapReduce is processing technique and the program computing based on the Java. The MapReduce algorithm contains two important, namely map and reduce. Map takes set of data and converts into the another set of data. Maps are broken to tuples. What is Hadoop MapReduce? Hadoop MapReduce is a software framework for distributing processing of the large dataset, compute, cluster, community hardware. It is a sub-project of the Apache Hadoop project. The framework takes care scheduling tasks, monitoring them, and re-executing any failed task. A weather 3-day forecast of temperature, precipitation, and wind forecast have to provide for several regions in the country. Short-term weather forecast and relevant for the general public to plan activity, which see or meteorology section for the more information. Temperature, extremes, temperature, average, wind speed, wind direction, precipitation probability, forecast current day and 4 following days. How do I write a MapReduce program? Build and execute simple MapReduce program. After you build the driver class is also added to existing jar files. Make sure that you delete and use the output directly before you execute MapReduce program. Use the Hadoop command to launch the Hadoop job for the MapReduce example. MapReduce is a programming framework that allows you to perform distributed and parallel processing on the large dataset in distributed environment. Then the reducer aggregates those intermediate data tuples into a smaller set of tuples key value pair, which is final output. How MapReduce work? Map. The input data is first in smaller blocks reduced after all the mapper complete processing framework shuffles and sorts the results before passing them on to the reducer. Partition mapping combiner partition and reducer. How MapReduce work? Explain how MapReduce work. Every key value MapReduce work is working on the key value pair. Every block divide every MapReduce and store the data MapReduce in combiner, then convert the supples and then supples to data transfer reducer and then the show the output final output. Mapping. The input data is first smaller block. Each block is assigned to a mapper for processing. For example, if a file's 100 record to be processed, 100 mappers can run together process on one record each, or maybe 50 mappers can run together to process two record each other. The Hadoop framework decide how many mappers to use on the size of data processing memory block available each mapper server. After the all mappers complete processing, the framework suppose and sort the result before passing them on to the reducer. A reducer cannot start building mapper, it still produces all the map output value have the same key values and single reducer data aggregate the key value here.